What is going on, guys? Today we're going to El Yunque, Puerto Rico. Hopefully you like this trip on my Nanrobot D6. Like I said, we're going to the rainforest here, National Rainforest. It's going to be quite a good trip. It's a little bit far from here. And I'll have the destination or a trajectory of the whole thing on the Relive app. Anyways, guys, hope you like this. And we're on our way. Oh yeah, boy. Let me put you guys here in my pocket. And we are going to, like I said, El Yunque, Puerto Rico. We're just at the entrance of Savannah. Our first battery still has 55 volts as we're running. If I let it sit, it might go up to a little bit more. Savannah Luquillo. Take this entrance. Oh yeah, boy. Alright, guys, look where we arrived at. The first sign, El Yunque National Rainforest, U.S. Department of Agriculture. Oh yeah, this is in Puerto Rico. Like I said, good place. Always a lot of what should we call it? A lot of tourists in this section here. And yesterday we tried to go, and there was a lot of people trying to go in. It's really good for tourism. Anyways, let's keep on going, guys. All right, guys. If I'm not mistaken, we're heading on top of those mountains over there where it's nice and cloudy. Oh yeah, boy. There's gonna be a tower way up there that we're supposed to find. Probably not the top, but somewhere's near. This recording sounds nice. I can hear the water in the bottom. I can't see it. Let's keep on going. Look at this. We got some nice, beautiful river action. Oh my God, that looks so awesome. I'm coming here one day. Oh, let me park my baby right here. Hold on. Look at that, guys. Look at the water. That water's clear. I haven't jumped in here in ages, bro. Got some pigeons in the bottoms. I just seen a mongoose across the road. So there's mongooses in Puerto Rico. Some people mistake them for squirrels, but they're not squirrels. They're actually mongoose. Look at this, guys. This is the beginning of this journey here. Let's keep on going. All right, guys. We're almost close to La Coca Falls. Both batteries at 54, 55. Can't wait to get there. Oh, damn, there's a lot of dogs. Caddo. Bing bong, a little caddo. Caddo. Prepare to be stopped. I don't know, I might not. Maybe I should, maybe I won't. Vamos por ahí. Saludos. Oh, here we go, guys. La Coca Falls. Look at this view. I was waiting to go back here. All right, let me park on this side so my camera can actually get it real nice. Oh yeah, boy. Can't wait to record this for you guys. Let me put it on first person view here so I can get a nice capture all the way to La Coca on top. It's really good. This is awesome, guys. I actually made it here. I can't believe it. And I got one little light bulb on because I don't want to, well, I should have the other ones on, yeah. This is the bottom part of La Coca. Look how deep it goes, guys. Hey. Wow. So let's see if we can go around. Let's see what else we got up here. I know we have a tower coming up soon. I might just take a little quick break, and I'll be coming back. Let me record this for you guys up close and personal. So for when you come here, you know what you're getting. Look at that. It's called all kinds of waterfall action, guys. All kinds. It's amazing. All right, let's keep on going. Really good. Oxygen is perfect. I don't know what to tell you. It's life. Oh, wow, look at this tree. This tree is huge, guys. Hold the hell on. Hold on. This is one big tree. I don't know if this is new or what. Look at this tree. It is one tall. It has a little thing label on it. Hold on. Let's. Oh, I'm gonna have to push it. I'm sorry. All right, guys. This is one huge trunk. I mean, like it says here, árboles campeones, champion trees. Species of major size known in Puerto Rico. It's a specimen. Specimen of the major size known in Puerto Rico. Wow, that is one huge ass tree. All right, guys. So I'm gonna just keep on going. So I know we might just get wet. So I didn't really came prepared. Look at this. We got the first tower here, guys, of El Yunque. And we're probably gonna get close to this baby right here. Hold on. That's awesome. Wow. Real, extremely good. I'm not sure if I should go up there. I'm guessing the cones are for like not passing. Since Baño de Oro Natural has been designated to national landmark, it says there, this site possesses exceptional value. Hold on. Exceptional value as an illustration of the nation's natural heritage and contributes to the better understanding of the environment. 1980, National Park Services, United States Department of the Interior. I don't know. Anyways, I just came here to record this on the top.
Alright guys, so we're going inside the first tower that we arrived. Let's check it out. Climb a couple of stairs to get up there. Oh, nice. Alright, shout one of the windows, guys. Let's peek out. Alright guys, awesome. The scooter. Ooh. Keep going up towers. You gooey substance. It's like electric water heaters. Like somebody probably took showers here. Alrighty guys. We're almost there. Hopefully we won't pass out. Whatever. Almost there, guys. Once we reach the top, it should be nice and windy. About 1,000 stairs. Oh my god, how many times we gotta go around it? Alright, guys.
We have reached the top. Oh yeah, buddy. Alright, guys. Wow, look at all this. Maybe it's like windy. can read that. So this is actually quite a impressive thing. Hopefully they got some food there. That'd be awesome. Oh yeah, this is what I forgot to show my buddies last time. Yeah, so. Oh wow, it is so foggy, guys, that I cannot see, and I'm like at clear view. Wow. Good hide and go seek place. This is about to be like 9 o'clock in the morning, and I do not see the sun. It's just pure light. Wow, it's amazing, guys. Rio Grande, natural trail. Wow, look how beautiful this is. Let me see if I can get a closer look over here. Wow. Alright, we're back on our way. I gotta go through all these routes again. I gotta find out how. I don't know what this is. It's like used to be a water fountain, probably. Now there's like an ashtray. The water's not really that clear. It's kind of greenish. It is clear. It's just the ambient is green. It sort of makes it look greenish. Used to be stairs here, apparently, or somebody threw a set of stairs down there. All right, guys, hold on. Let me retract this a bit. Wow, guys, look at that. Pretty cool, guys, right? Now you guys can't say I need to take you to the El Yunque. If you guys have any other requests or any request at all. Oh wow, I do want to record right there. I wish I could bring my scooter. If you guys do have any requests of places in Puerto Rico that you would like me to go and actually, you know what I mean, like go and actually visit and record, let me know. I'll find out if we're able to ride a scooter in that section. And yeah, for sure, I would like to record just about anything. And I'm on vacation. I started yesterday. Look at this, guys. So I got 3 weeks off. For the next 3 weeks, hopefully we can get a lot of footage. As you know, that scooter here, as you see, we're visiting today at Yunque. It's a national rainforest here in Puerto Rico. We are cruising in a Nanrobot D6. As you see, it is water resistant. It has gotten wet before. It has gotten wet many other times before. This is a cool ass place to be. Chill out with my friends and stuff. I just wanted to record this video just to show all my friends so I can bring a whole crew here. And hopefully we can all register or how do you call it? Separate reservation for this place. Because those need to be separated if it's during the weekend. guys. I'll see you in the next one. We got a lot here. Hopefully I get to ride more next time.